Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL tonight. First up, we got SOS, that's Stationery and Office Supplies Limited, declaring a dividend here. You would recall they just put in a new managing director. That's Mr. Alan McDaniel. And on the back of that, a nice dividend here. November 4th, 2021, the board of directors approved an ordinary dividend of 16 cents Jamaican per share. It's going to be payable right before Christmas, December 7th, 2021. Talking about dividends, the real dividend company, the cash flow company here on the JSE, Carreras Limited has a dividend consideration coming up. The meeting of Carreras board is scheduled for November 11th, 2021 to consider an interim dividend for all of their shareholders. So Barita Investments here coming up with an advisory to the Jamaica Stock Exchange of the following senior management changes effective October 1st, 2021. Ramon Small Ferguson has been promoted to the position of Executive Vice President, Asset Management and Research. Now, Miss Judith Najer, formerly the Head of Product Development Special Projects, has transitioned to an affiliate of Barita Investments Limited, where she will assume the role of Vice President Operations. In the investment world, Mayberry Investments Limited, the investment bank, trading in their shares as well on the buy side, connected party buying up approximately 657,000 shares on November 2nd, 2021. Pretty substantial there. Last up, Key Insurance Company here reporting its 5th consecutive quarter of profitability. Key Insurance, majority owned right now by Grace Kennedy Financial Group, GK Capital also in that top 10 shareholder list. Now, what Don Webby and the whole chairman, CEO, everybody there, the management team points out is they really highlight the focus on investment income now and going forward, and that 5 quarters of consecutive profits and just improving that investment income profile. Now, these are the 9 months and the 3rd quarter 2021, September 30th results. The year to date are the 9 months. The big takeaway also is gross premiums. Clearly some confidence again in Key Insurance, growing to 1.43 billion from 1.04 billion. So nice growth there, 400 million Jamaican or so, nothing to scoff at. Now net profit, it's above break even, year to date hitting 12.7 million Jamaican versus a loss of 358 million in the comparative period 2020. Now the bulk of that 12 million and change was 10.9 million of profit coming in the 3rd quarter. Equity now, the bottom line is 947 million, but still accumulated losses of 500 million, share capital 900 million and change. So a lot of work to be done there. The rights issue happened in January 2021. Key Insurance needed that capital. It was 668 million. The whole bottom line here is the 4th quarter this year, 2022. That's going to be the tail of the tape. Clearly, Key Insurance needs to make about 150, 200 million Jamaican net profit, a lot more than it's making now, to justify this deal or investment for Grace Kennedy going forward. So we'll see what happens for next fiscal year for Key Insurance. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.